Hello, everybody. My name is Ren. I'm known as Daily Queen. Yes, we are Queen over here. In today's video, as you can see, the title say reset with my weekly reset clean routine. So I have been watching YouTube videos about cleaning, their yearly cleaning routine or reset cleaning routine. So I decided to do my weekly one because I clean my house actually every day, but the detail cleaning I do it every week, at least once or twice a week. Cause yes, we have 3 kids, as you can see. Yes, our house is a mess. It's really a mess. This is how it turned out. Every couple, like 3 4 days, this is my house. Yes, this is how my house will be looking like. So if you want to see how I clean up this whole house, well, downstairs, sit down, relax, and let's start cleaning. My house is a mess. So we're gonna take all the Christmas stuff out, clean up here, clean up over there, mop the floor and stuff. Yeah. My heart is a mouse. Is a mouse. But we're gonna get it together. Come on, let's go. I honestly, I love cleaning. Like, I'm addicted to cleaning. I can clean all day. I clean to meditate. I love cleaning. Like, I do. I enjoyed it. Like, any opportunity I can get to clean my house is a blessing. And sometimes my husband can be so annoyed by me cleaning, but I love it. I just love it. I do. Guys, somebody told me about this spray to clean your kitchen appliances, and it is amazing. Like, it's amazing. It make my fridge look brand new, shiny, and like when you touch it, it doesn't leave that stain. I just I'm in love with this spray. I have been using this over a year now, and I have not regretted since. If you don't know about it, please go get one and thank me later. I'm pretty sure you will love it too. It's the best. If you know, you know I'm African. This baby right here do not want to sleep on the bed. So I decided to do what I can do to continue cleaning, put him on my back as a real African woman. When did you guys put your Christmas decoration out? Like, when do you guys, take it down? Because normally I took mine down in March, but this year I gonna do it really early. Yes, I do. I normally take mine down around March time because my daughter loved the tree and everything. But this year I have a toddler, so it was not working. So I kind of took the tree down first. I did that in January, and February that's when I started taking the rest of the stuff down. But leave it down in the comment section below. When do you guys take your Christmas decoration down? Do you do it early, like right after Christmas, or do you do it like later on, like me, maybe 2-3 months after Christmas? So yeah, this is the final look after I finish cleaning, scrubbing, mopping. This is what it looks like. I really love recording this kind of video. I hope you guys did too, and I will show you how the house look like during the day at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is how it's looking like. Smells good. I really love a clean home. I'm pretty sure you guys did too. Even though we have kids, we still want to keep it clean. And yes, this is how I look like during the day. Love it. Did I say I love it? That's my daughter over there. I love my house being clean. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. As you can see, I really enjoy recording this kind of video. If you do, please share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are here too, okay? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, like always, I love you, but God love you more. Bye.